Okay, let's start with the demo of Gaming Gaiden to record emulated games. I'll start the application. Starting. Okay, the application has started. Now, first let's look at what all emulators are already registered. Okay, so for that, you can go to Edit Emulator and it will show you a list of emulators that are already registered. So we have Dreamcast, GBA, GameCube, blah blah blah. But okay, so let's use PlayStation Portable for this demonstration. Okay, so I'll cancel it for a moment. Go to Add Emulator. Alright, so let's give platform as PlayStation Portable, PSP. Add executable. So now let's go to our emulator and here is PPSSPP. Windows 64 open. So executable has been registered and it is asking for what kind of ROM extensions do you use. This is required to identify the name of the game from the ROM itself. So whatever is the name of the ROM file will be used as the name of the game when the game is auto-detected when an emulator is running. Okay, so I have my ROMs stored as CSO. I'll just give CSO. If you have multiple type, you can give by comma separated list CSO, comma ISO, comma something else that you may have. But I only have it as CSO, so I'll go with CSO only. Okay, so let's save it. PSP is registered in database. Now let's quickly check once. I'm sure it is registered, but just for the sake of it, yeah, so PSP has now appeared, right? So now let's launch a PlayStation Portable game. So I'll use Emulation Station. Gaming Gaiden works the best with any front end that uses command line for its launch of emulated games. So here we have PlayStation Portable and let's start. Okay, Street Fighter Alpha 3. So as you can see, a recording icon has appeared. It says tracking Street Fighter Alpha 3 Max. I think I muted the sound of this game when I was testing earlier. So that's why you can't hear any sound. That's okay. Let's quickly check. Open volume mixer. Yep, as expected, sound is muted. Let's reduce the voice. Okay, thank you. Sound is back. Now let's play the game for some time to give application some time to record. Usually Feilong and Yun are really difficult and I don't know whether I'll be able to win or not, but let's try. And when screen recording is going on, even the gameplay that you see, even I am seeing it in 30 FPS, so it's becoming a little hard to play. It's not just the video getting recording in 30 FPS, even the gameplay is playing as a 30 FPS, which is bad. Oh, okay, one round. It's a fairly short game, so I'll play 2 rounds for this one. And you can see that recording icon is still there, but when we'll shut down the game, it will disappear. It only stays until the recording is happening, just to give some feedback to the user that recording is still happening and you, you can peacefully play the game without worrying that your playtime will be lost. Ah. So in PSP, the AI has a pattern. It will let you win the first round and then suddenly become very, very challenging in the second round. See, it's blocking even before the move has come out. But at least we won. Okay, enough. So we'll shut down the game, and you should see that icon has disappeared. Now, let me quickly shut down emulation station. Let's go to my games. And see, we only registered the emulator. We didn't register the game. The application automatically detects the game. PSP platform, number of games has gone to 64. 3 minutes of playtime. Default status playing. You can mark it as finished later. 13th November, which is today. Okay, so this is the icon that is used by default when an emulated game is detected, but we can change it. We'll change it briefly. Okay, so just to show that you only have to register an emulator just once, and all games played by that emulator will be automatically identified and tracked. I'll launch one more game, PlayStation Portable. Let's play something simple like Jetpack Joyride, and we should see the recording icon appear in some time. Ooh. When did I get the launch power up? Okay, so this is a very fast game, so I'm not going to move my mouse to show that the new icon says tracking Jetpack Joyride. Wait, yeah, it is saying tracking Jetpack Joyride, right? So again, auto detected. Requires paying attention at all times. Oh, I missed my vehicle. This game is so addictive. So addictive that once you start playing it, you don't care if you don't care if you are doing a demonstration for another application or something. You just want to keep playing this game. Barry. Okay, enough. I hope we have given it a minute or so to record, so I'll shut it down. And let's shut down the emulation station. Icon should disappear. There it goes. Look at my games. And you can see detected Jetpack Joyride also. Barely played for 1.5 minutes or something. Okay, now icons. Default selected. Let's edit. Settings, edit game. Search. You have so many games you can search. There it is. Jetpack Joyride. Okay, before let's download the icon first. Minimize this. And it's all written in PowerShell, so the window that you see will be a PowerShell icon. Okay, so minimize it. Square icons work the best in the UI, so I have set up an advanced search to always return square aspect ratio images. There. This is the PSP icon, Jetpack Joyride Minis. It's quite small, so I'll use this one. Okay, let's save image. Please don't be WebP. Okay, JPG. So save it. Let's close it. Now we can go to editing Jetpack Joyride. We can go to edit icon. Download JPG. Can see jetpack gyrate. Open. The icon has been updated. Now, if you forgot to record, let's say the application was shut down and you played some game, and you want to add that play time, you can just edit it. So it says 1 minute. So what I'll do is I'll quickly change it to say 5 minutes, and it will do both the edits at the same time. Okay. And you can mark it as finished also. So that's good. Okay. Updated in database. Okay. Let's look at games again. So as you can see, icon has been updated, playtime has been updated, and that's it. Let me quickly demonstrate the finished feature as well. So if I go to edit game, and let's say you have played it for very long time and you just want to mark it as finished. Maybe you have played it for 10 hours, you are trying calling it finished. So let's just say mark it as finished and press OK. It'll update, and you will see in the UI that should show it as finished. Okay, 10 hours, all done. So that's it for this demo. Thank you.